Hi guys! Today we're going to be reviewing Amazon's answer to the Keurig K-Cup machine. Those are super expensive, but we got an Amazon Basics version here. I have never used one of these before, but it's the first time I've seen it. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so the official title is the Amazon Basics Dual Brew Single Serve Capsule Coffee Maker. And it's called that because it will do the capsules and it has a little cup that you can put your own grounds in. So let's see what she looks like here. Okay, so we got our nice little handy dandy, this is a really thick, I almost said recipe book, instruction guide. So, all right, let's see what we got here. This is quite a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. We're almost there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has some pretty cool features. I have been waiting to get this forever. It's never in stock, so I figure it must be pretty good. There was one left, and I swore if I ever saw it again, I was going to get it. This is what it looks like. Pull to open. Hope that was right. Okay, so this is basket where you can put your own grounds. Pops open like that. Put your grounds in here. It has a max fill line right there. So then you flip that closed and you drop it right back in there. You close it. And this is the reservoir. Let's see. Maybe I should read the directions. Oh, no, whoop. Ta-da! All right, so the reservoir, you fill it. It has different markings. We got 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 24 ounces. So you can put all that in there. That's why I got this version instead of the compact version. They have a compact version. It's a little bit cheaper. I think it's smaller. Well, it must be smaller. It's the compact version. But yeah, so this is the reservoir. You fill that up. I would assume this is machine washable, so I saved space in my dishwasher so I can wash this. We can test it out. Okay, that's better. And this goes on here. And I don't like this pull to open thing. It feels like I'm breaking it. But okay, so this is for the grounds, and this is the basket for the K-Cups. I'm really excited about this because I used to have, I actually had two Keurig K10 mini brewers. It was a terrible model. My last one died, and it wasn't because it was gunked up. It was because I believe the transformer died. I learned that from watching YouTube videos. The guy in the video said that you can probably get a new transformer and install it yourself for like 30, 35 bucks. Well, for like $5 more, I got this and hopefully it works. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash the dishwasher washable parts, and then we'll go ahead and try it out because I'm really excited about this and I have not had coffee yet. And yeah, we need the caffeine to get through the day. Okay, so a couple things. It apparently no part of it is dishwasher safe, and normally I'm willing to, you know, take a risk, but I haven't gotten a paycheck in 6 months, so we're not taking that risk. So I went ahead and hand washed what made sense to hand wash. So the reservoir, this guy for the actual K-Cup pods. We're going to try that first, and did my best to wash this guy too for the ground coffee. And I also neglected to show the buttons on this side, and I'll show them more when I actually brew, but there's a button where you choose the size of you know, how much water you're putting in, so the size of your coffee, and you select whether you're doing the grounds or the pod. I'm already a little bit annoyed that they put that on the side, but hopefully that's just going to be a minor thing. I'm really excited to try this out. I'm going to go ahead and try the pod first. Okay, so I got this set up here. I'm trying really hard not to drop my phone into the sink. Put about 10 ounces. I also am using small coffee cups, so I went ahead and raised the this guy here so that that's higher and it doesn't splash since it's a smaller cup. So we'll see how this goes. So I have this caramel macchiato light roast, you know, whatever. And of course, you know, if you've never used one of these before, there's a needle there and there's a needle inside of there. So be really careful when you're washing them. All right, so I'm going to put a coffee cup here. All right, now it says to select the size first. I'm gonna go for 8 because I measured 8 ounces fits into this cup. So we're gonna press this until it goes to 8, and it's a capsule. So we're gonna hit that button. Now it should do its thing. Now, from what I can tell, it should take about 1.5 minutes. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. Oh God, please work. Now, I don't know about this, guys. I mean, it's an old pod. It smells really good, though. I don't know about this. That looks like tea. Oh, no, 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 no. It doesn't look like coffee to me. Oh my God, this looks gross. Oh, crap. See if we have better luck with ground coffee. Okay, so let's see if I can do this without making a huge mess. We're gonna try this. And the instructions did not specify whether to go to the top or the bottom of the max line. So I put the same amount of water in. This time I'm putting in that ground cup guy. All right, so I got some size coffee cup. Should take about the same amount of time. So we're gonna do the same thing. 8 ounces and ground. Let's see what she does. Oh, that sounds like such a good noise. I have not heard that noise in a long time. Uh-oh. 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 Stop. Stop. Okay, barely made it. Okay, so here is the first very full cup of the caramel macchiato. I'm not sure about this. Yeah, that's water. No. No. Let's see. Still kind of hot. I don't want to spill it. Yeah, that's coffee. Ooh, hot. Hot, hot. Okay, so I'm gonna chalk it up to bad pod. I'm gonna try it again. And I'll give you guys an update if I end up returning it. I mean, the pros are it does the single serve. It'll do the single serve ground, which is nice. Save the environment, save some money on coffee because coffee pods are not cheap. So I'm going to do an update after a week of using this and see how it goes. I'm definitely going to use less water next time and get some fresh pods. We'll see how that goes. And I will post that right here. And if you want to see another great video for single people, or if you're cooking for one or two, go ahead and click here.